If you are in need of survey instrument accessories in Gurgaon Sector 44, Scon Design in Delhi is the place to go. They are one of the leading dealers in the region and offer a wide range of accessories for survey instruments. Whether you are looking for tripods, prisms, poles, or any other accessory, Scon Design has got you covered. They understand the importance of having reliable and high-quality accessories for survey instruments, as they play a crucial role in accurate measurements and data collection. With their extensive range of products and excellent customer service, Scon Design is the go-to destination for all your survey instrument accessory needs. Scon Design has established itself as a trusted dealer in Gurgaon Sector 44 by consistently providing top-notch products and services. They have a team of knowledgeable professionals who can assist you in finding the right accessory for your specific requirements. They have a deep understanding of the surveying industry and can guide you through the various options available, ensuring that you make an informed decision. Whether you are a professional surveyor or an amateur enthusiast, Scon Design has the expertise to meet your needs and provide you with the best accessories for your survey instruments. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design as your survey instrument accessory dealer in Gurgaon Sector 44 is their commitment to quality. They only stock products from reputable manufacturers who are known for their reliability and accuracy. This ensures that you receive accessories that meet industry standards and can withstand the demands of rigorous surveying tasks. Additionally, Scon Design regularly updates its inventory to keep up with the latest advancements in technology and offers cutting-edge accessories that can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of your surveys. The best place to go for survey instrument accessories in Gurgaon Sector 44 is Scon Design in Delhi. They have a vast selection of survey instrument accessories and are one of the top sellers in the area. Scon Design can supply any accessory you need, including tripods, prisms, poles, and more. They are aware of how critical it is to have dependable, high-quality accessories for survey devices because these items are essential for taking precise measurements and gathering data. Scon Design is the go-to company for all of your survey instrument accessory needs because to their wide selection of goods and top-notch customer support. By continually offering top-notch goods and services, Scon Design has developed a reputation as a reliable dealer in Gurgaon Sector 44. They offer a staff of skilled individuals who can help you locate the ideal accessory for your unique needs. They are well-versed in the surveying sector and can help you sort through your options so that you can make an educated choice. If you need the best accessories for your surveying equipment, Scon Design has the knowledge to suit your demands, whether you're a professional or an amateur hobbyist. Scon Design's dedication to quality is only one of the many benefits of